How to use ChatGPT to build a website with Hostinger AI. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use a prompt from ChatGPT to build a website on Hostinger. So we're going to use on this matter an AI within Hostinger, which is going to be leading us to create a website with a prompt. So we're going to use Hostinger website builder, and normally we're going to have the AI builder right there. So we're going to give it here the name Jack, for example, clothing. And we're going to use the prompt here. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT, type in our prompt, create a prompt for website creation on Hostinger, for example. The website is about website Hostinger AI here as a clothing, for example, store like this. And we're going to give it like that. So it is going to create here the specific prompt. So we're going to copy and paste that here, and we're going to wait for the AI to create our case. So the more time that you're going to spend within ChatGPT to make it comprehend what you have here and there is going to be the thing. Okay, so here we have created a website with the prompt. So basically you can edit the website and it is going to be good to go. That was it. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.